Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is for those that just purchased their awesome 2021 Honda Accord Sport 1.5. Alright, I can't wait to hear about your new adventures. I know you're pretty excited, but let me help you set you up for success. So all you have to do is drive off the lot and show off your new car, okay? So this video is to show you how to set up your vehicle settings. You guys have any questions? Drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. Don't forget to check out my walk around video that shows you all the cool standard features and functions for this awesome car, alright? Alright, let's kind of help you set up your new vehicle settings. Let's get going. Alright, so here we are. We're inside the 2021 Honda Accord Sport 1.5 Turbo. We got the vehicle on. Let's kind of get going. So we're at the home menu. So we're going to select settings. We're going to scroll down here to vehicle. We're going to select vehicle. We're going to start from the top and work our way down to the bottom. What I love about the Accords is that they actually have a description. Every time you click on this stuff, it actually tells you what you're selecting and all that. So it's going to make it super easy. You guys can read it as we kind of go along. Hopefully I answer those questions, all right? So first thing that's going to pop up is going to be a tire pressure monitoring system. So if you ever get the low tire pressure light right up here, it's telling you get out there, double check it, come over here, reset it once you get everything correct or once if it's good. So hit calibrate. That's it. Quick and easy. Now the next thing we're going to have is going to be a driver's assist system setup. That's for your Honda sensing features. First thing up there, it's going to be a traffic sign recognition system. So as you're driving down the road, right, it catches a speed limit sign. It's going to display it right up here on your driver's interface. Okay, so do you want that on or off? I like having that on, so we'll keep that icon on from that point. So when we go on a test ride, people can see that. So you can hit save or you can hit the back button. Next thing we're going to have is your forward collision warning distance, all right? So pretty much, as you can read it right there, you have a couple options, all right? So I'm going to keep it on normal. That's why I want the car to kind of, warn me and all that. Because, that's what the manufacturer default is set at. But you can customize that. If you want to know the exact measurement, I would encourage you to refer to your owner's manual from there, all right? So I'm going to save it. Next thing we have is going to be your ACC. That's your adaptive cruise control forward vehicle detection beep. So with your adaptive cruise control, once it senses a car, simply do you want it to beep at you? So let's say you're going 35, right? Car front is going 30, and it slows you down, because it senses a car, so you're going 30 now. Do you want it to beep at you to let you know, hey, I found a car? I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to save it. I like to have all the beepage. All right, next thing is your lane keeping assist suspense beep. So when you go off the road, you want it to beep at you. Yes. And once again, there's no right or wrong answer, guys. This is totally up to you. This is how you're going to leave your personal touch to the vehicle, customized to you, all right? So now get your road departure, mitigation settings. Pretty much just as you go going off the road, off the lane, a little bit of that. You can change the sensitivity on that. Hey, you know what? I like it having it on normal. I don't want the warning only because I want it to bring me back. So we're going to keep it on normal. Next thing is right here to driver's attention monitor system right here. So pretty much the car's going to detect when you need to take a break because you're not paying attention or you're dozing off, stuff like that. So it has a couple ways to alert you. All right. Most likely you guys would never experience this, but if you're going to, why not go all out? Just make sure you know for safety. So we'll save that. Perfect. Now we're all done with the driver's assist system. We're going to go down to meter setup, okay? If you need to change the language, you can. It's going to be the very first one. So you got those three options. All right, now you can adjust the outside temperature display. So, it's about a 5 degrees swing either way. You can increase or decrease it from that point. I'll let you guys decide if you want to fine tune it at all or not. I'm going to leave it alone. You got your alarm volume. So, tells you right there, it changes the volume of all warning systems. Door opening warning and turning, all that is right there. So, I'm going to keep it on medium. Now, you got the next one. You can totally change everything that's going to be right up here, okay? So this is what we're doing right here. I can't move around right now because we're in there modifying it. But, let's say I don't want fuel range right up there, speed and time, all these options. I can uncheck mark this, and then it will clean that up right over there on my driver's interface. I like to keep it all there, so when I show these new people when they get into the Accords on everything that's available. All right. Boom. So I left it alone. So as you kind of get in here, now I can see everything from that point. We got your fuel efficiency backlight. I like having this on. What's a great thing about this, you see this white light? It kind of wraps around, right, on the driver's interface. That changes colors, all right, from white to green when you're being fuel efficient, then green to white when you're not. So it's like a visual coach. I like my visual coach, so let me know my driving habits. We'll keep it on. All right, now we got trip A and trip B. You guys can choose when you want your odometer to, reset from that point for your trips. Pretty easy. Trip B, as you can see, is going to be the same exact thing. All right, next thing we're going to have is your tachometer. Right now it's off, but let me show you what happens when I turn this on. Save. There it is. It's right around here. So now no matter what screen I go to on here for my driver's interface, it's going to stay up. It's going to be available. So that's kind of nice. All right, now you got your speed and distance units. Oops. Let's go select that. There we go. If you need to change from miles per hour, you can. So now that's everything underneath the meter set up. All right, now we're going to go to lighting setup. We're going to start from the top, work our way down to the bottom, okay? Kind of stretch out the arm. All right, so we got auto light sensitivity. Tells you right there what we're talking about. And you got all these good options right here. I'm going to keep a lot of these at default, all right? So you guys will fine-tune these once you get them home, or once you get into your new car, right, or drive off the lot. All right, auto interior illumination sensitivity. This one's going to be pretty easy. Auto headlights on with wiper on. Why not? When you have your headlights on to auto, wipers come on. Why not have your headlights come on too as well? So we'll save that. So you got a headlight auto off timer. Okay. So pretty much you shut off the car, shut the door, right? You walk away. How soon do you want the headlights to come off? So if I park in the garage every single time, I don't drive at night, 15 seconds is probably enough. If I park, I work third shift, and I get out of my car, I got a good distance to walk, or I'm out in, park in front of the house, I want a little extra, light to see what I'm doing, maybe you have to change that. Totally up to you guys. We have your interior light dimming time. Shut the car, shut the door, because I got out, boom. How soon do you want these lights to shut off? A lot of times people keep these at a default, but you really can get down in here and kind of mess around with things. All right, so that's everything underneath the lighting setup. Now we're going to go to door and window. We're going to start from the top, of course, if that's what you're guessing, and we'll go down. So you have your auto door lock, right? Just got into your car now. Go show off the car. When do you want the doors to lock? With speed, as soon as you shift from park. Now we have your key and remote, right? Now keep in mind, when you hit unlocking your key fob, you get your key fob, right? You hit unlock twice on that, boom, boom, all doors will automatically unlock. So this is your first time hitting it. So a lot of times when I share that with people, they're like, hey, let's keep it on driver only. All right, so we have your keyless lock answer back. So I'm assuming you like the little, little beep coming at you. A little lights. You get your security timer. All right, so you hit unlock on the key fob. You run out to the car. You have X amount of time to open up a car door. If you don't open up any doors, guess what? The doors will relock in this amount of time. A lot of times people keep it at 30. Some people change it to 60. I don't know, have fun with it. I can see some people doing pranks with this. Now you can have your auto door unlock. I just got done going where I'm going to show off the car, right? Maybe I'm going to work, going home. When do you want your doors to unlock? If you guys are big on safety, I'm going to recommend the first one right here. All doors stay locked until you open up your driver's side doors. So you can turn off the car, you can shift it to park, all that, mind your new surroundings, and open up the door. You know what I mean? Then boom, unlocks. Maybe it doesn't matter because you guys know where you're going all the time. You're dropping off the kids, you're doing running errands constantly, doing some Uber driving, whatever, shift to park, then boom, it unlocks. That's it. Underneath door and window setup looks like. We'll hit the back button. We'll scroll down here to maintenance. So now if you get any maintenance like oil changes, other requirements, stuff like that, it's going to display right in here with you for you in a code and all that good jazz. Guys, thank you again for watching my video. Hopefully this video is very helpful for you guys. Once again, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. If you like this video, do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Don't forget to share with a friend or family that purchased their Honda Accord. Then check out my walk around videos. I'll show you all the cool standard features and functions. All right, guys? Thank you again. I appreciate you guys. This is Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kuehl Honda. We'll talk to you guys later.